What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sheree. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any posts whenever I upload. So as y'all can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a skincare routine. Well, I'm going to be doing a skincare routine. Lately I have been doing this one particular skincare routine that I saw on TikTok. Actually, I guess your girl was influenced. Okay, so I literally went and bought all the products that she was using, and so far they have worked really well for me. So I want to come on and show you guys what I have been using. I do try to do my skincare morning and night. I don't always stick to the plan, but I do for sure make sure that I try to do it in the morning time or before I go outside, because part of my skincare now is using sunscreen. I never used sunscreen before, but TikTok definitely put your girl on to, you know, making sure that you are protecting your skin, especially as a melanated woman, okay, period. So we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this video because, yeah, I'm ready to get this face clean. Yeah, I'm looking crazy, but it's okay. It's okay, because we finna get this together, right? Alright guys, so I am here. Yeah, I'm waiting for my tripod to come in because I have this one that I love to use, but I also need a second one just like this. I need another one because I just need another one. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just go ahead and dampen my face, and I'm also going to get a towel. Hold on. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and just kind of dampen my face, and so that I can get ready to prep my skin for cleansing. That's the first step that I do now, is I cleanse my face. Alright, now that my skin is damp, I'm gonna go ahead and start my cleansing process. So I am using the Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser, and I'm gonna be using this today with my little sponge that I got from Amazon. I will link this down below in the description box. I do switch it up sometimes. Sometimes I use a exfoliator, but today I'm just gonna use my little pad here. So I'm just gonna wet this, and sometimes I apply it to my skin, sometimes I apply it directly onto my little sponge, but I am going to apply it to my face today. And then I'm just gonna go in and start just working that into my skin. So I did go ahead and do one cleanse. I normally try to do maybe 2 cleanses. And another thing I would say is I realize now why I don't really like using these, because it soaks up a lot of the product. So I really need to get me another exfoliating brush, because yeah, this definitely does soak up a lot of the product, and it's not as slutty as I would like for it to be. So I don't feel like my skin is getting as clean as it could be. Alright, so I just rinsed off my first cleanse, and I'm going to go in for my second cleanse. This time I'm just going to use my hands. Alright, so that is 2 cleanses that I have done. Now I'm going to go in with The Ordinary, and this is glycolic acid 7% toning solution, because I do have a bit of hyperpigmentation here as well as on this side as well. So I'm trying to like really clear up these areas mostly. So this is what I have been using, and honestly I feel like I can tell a difference if I use it a little bit more consistently as I should morning and night. Then I definitely feel like I will see the results that I'm looking for. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with a cotton round, and I'm literally just gonna put this on here. And I need some new cotton rounds, y'all. And let me put out a disclaimer, I am not a dermatologist at all. I am not a licensed esthetician. I just do what works for me. All right, now that I have applied my solution, I'm gonna go in with my Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum, which I absolutely love. And this feels so good on my skin. I really want to try the it is the Ordinary, I think the chemical peel. I really want to try that, but I saw a few different reactions to that on TikTok, and some people have a bad reaction to it, and I don't want to have a bad reaction because I'm trying to clear up my skin, not make it worse. All right, and for this one, I do believe, yeah, for this you have to let it fully absorb into your skin before you apply the remaining of your product. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes maybe. And it's looking like so far. And I wish I had a before and after picture so I can show y'all exactly like how my skin looked before I started using these products, because personally I can definitely tell the difference. My pores also are not as big as they used to be. Like I used to be able to see into my pores. Do you hear me? Like, okay, maybe that's a little dramatic, but I literally could, my pores were so big. So like even now, like they are not that big at all. Like, and I feel like my skin is like, it's not as, what's the word, it's not as textured, if that makes sense. Like it's smoothing out, and that's exactly what I wanted. So yes, chef kiss to these products because they have been doing the do, okay? They have been doing exactly what they are supposed to do. But yeah, let me let this sit for a few minutes, y'all, and then I will be back. All right, guys, so now that I have let this sit for a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my next product, which is gonna be the Ordinary, and this is more like a hydrating cream. And I just applied the same way as I did the other serum. Okay, do y'all see that? Y'all see the difference, right? Okay. I'm so sad that I cannot wear eyelashes. Like this pollen is taking me out, okay? It's taking me out because I want to wear my lashes, but I can't because I'm constantly rubbing my eyes. But the good thing about that is I can do my skincare without having to worry about my eyelashes, but I hate not having lashes on. But anyways, back to the skincare. So my last and final step that I use now that I have used my cleanser, I've used my toner, I've also used my, I guess this is another color correcting serum, and then I use my hydrating serum. So the last and final step to my skincare routine is sunscreen, y'all. This is a sunscreen that I found on TikTok, and it's for black girls, so it's a plus. This is the black girl sunscreen, and this is the SPF 30. So I don't know about y'all, but I love the way the sunscreen smells. It smells so good, but I don't think it's like that sunny outside, so I do use this whether it's sunny, cloudy. I don't care. If I'm going outside, I'm using it, but I don't use a lot of it when it's not as sunny. So I'm just gonna use a little bit. Yo, my skin feels so good. Oh my gosh. Ah, I love it. And I did this on my boyfriend as well. I did my skincare on him, and yeah, needless to say, he was definitely ready to start his skincare regimen because y'all, when I tell y'all this stuff is the truth, like this combination, oh my gosh, love it. All right guys, so that is the end of my skincare routine. As y'all can see, my skin is looking so good, so good, so good. I cannot wait until these areas clear up. I'm definitely gonna do a follow-up video with y'all probably within a matter of, I'm gonna say about 3 months, maybe 2-3 months. And we're gonna see if those areas have cleared up by doing my skincare routine. If y'all are interested in the products that I use, I will link them down below in the description box, of course. Ugh, my face feels so good. Like, I love doing skincare now. I've never been a skincare routine type of girl, but I was always the girl that wanted my skin to be flawless. But how can you want your skin to be flawless when you're not applying the work and if you're not doing the work? So yeah, ever since I started my skincare routine, y'all, like I have been loving my skin. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, my skin has definitely changed within a matter of, I think I've been using these products for maybe a month, maybe not even a full month, and I can already see the results of my skincare, just taking care of your skin. I'm learning the importance of that, y'all, but y'all, my stomach is growling. I'm starving. I'm about to go get me some bread. That is the end of this skincare routine, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. Again, if you're interested, products will be down below. And of course, if you are not following me on Instagram, TikTok, or if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you go ahead and check the description box down below, because I will leave all of my social media links down below as well. But that's it for today, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.